Hello friends, welcome to Technique. This is Nirmal here, and in this video we're going to do the unboxing of the most affordable smartphone from Xiaomi in India, the Redmi 6A. So Xiaomi Redmi 6A was announced a couple of weeks back. Now this device is available, and this device comes with upgraded specification when compared to the Redmi 5A, which is announced early this year. So we have the Redmi 6A with us. We'll do an unboxing, we'll show you some camera samples, and we'll talk about the specifications and also the hardware offered. So this is the box packing of the Redmi 6A. We have the 2GB RAM and 16GB internal storage variant, and this comes with a 5.45 inches HD plus resolution display. This is having 18:9 aspect ratio. It is powered by the Helio A22 quad-core chipset. It's a 12nm technology that makes it even better, and this has 3000 mAh high capacity battery, 13 megapixel rear camera, 5 megapixel front camera, and it also has nano SIM card, 2 nano SIM cards, and a dedicated SD card slot, and it comes with MIUI 9.6 and is upgradable to MIUI 10. So it's a quad-core chipset, 12 nanometer technology, and it has 2 GHz clock speed, and we have the 2GB RAM and 16GB storage, and as usual this is a made in India smartphone. Now regarding the pricing, this is priced 5,999 for the base variant, that's 2GB RAM variant, and we'll see the device and we'll talk about the hardware offered. So let's get started with unboxing. So let's just open this up. So let's take this device out of the box. So we have the black variant of the Redmi 6A. So it comes in different colors. So we have the black variant, and let's take this out. So there you go. So that's the Redmi 6A. So you can see that it looks pretty good in terms of the build quality. It's pretty matte finish, and looks pretty good. Even though it's a plastic build, it looks actually good. And we have the 13 megapixel rear camera, LED flash, and power and volume keys are on the right side. The left side houses the dual SIM card slot and the SD card slot. The top panel has a 3.5mm audio jack, and the bottom panel has the micro USB charging slot. So let's just peel off the stickers, and we'll boot the device. And we have a 5.45 inches HD plus resolution display. It's a 720p 1440 by 720p by 1440 resolution display. Now let's see what else comes inside the box. We have the user guide included, and some other information are included. So that's you can see the SAR value is also mentioned here in case you are interested in SAR value. SAR value, the head SAR and body SAR mentioned here, and other information is also included here. Now we have an adapter included in the box pack. Let's see the voltage rating. So this should be standard charger, 5 volt 1 ampere charger. So that's pretty basic charging, not even 2 ampere. So that's pretty basic charging, and we also have a USB cable for data syncing, and charging is included. So that's all inside the box. We also get a SIM ejector pin. So now let's have a look at the device. So now we have booted the device, and this is the Redmi 6A with the Helio A22 quad-core chipset, and the display looks quite good for the pricing it is being offered. You can see that it's pretty vibrant and colorful HD plus resolution display, and we have the latest 18:9 aspect ratio as well, and this device is quite lightweight. That's kind of pretty usability wise. This is pretty good. You can see that it's pretty slim and easy to hold as well. Now let's have a look at the settings panel, and we'll just show you the options available. So you can see that Xiaomi has included almost all options like app lock, dual app support, then we have second space, full screen display, then support for themes, and a whole lot of options are included. Let's go to about phone, and you can see that MIUI version is 9.6 global, and it's the quad core 2 GHz CPU and 2 GB RAM and 16 GB internal storage. Out of the 16 GB, you can see 8.37 GB is available for the user in the first boot. That's kind of slightly lower storage, because around 10 GB is what is expected, but this is slightly lower. But good thing is that you can expand the storage via micro SD card, because it's a dedicated SD card slot, and this also comes with dual SIM cards. Now let's have a look at the camera interface. So this device comes with a 13 megapixel rear camera and also 5 megapixel front camera, and let's have a look at the interface. We can see that it offers short video, photo, and square mode. There is also manual mode included, but unfortunately there is no portrait photography because it's a budget offering, and that's one thing which is missing. And this also has a front facing 5 megapixel camera. Now let's go to the video recording and we'll just show you the settings. So video quality is full HD. That's pretty good because even the budget offering, Xiaomi is offering full HD video recording. Now let's have a look at some of the samples we have taken with this device. So here are some of the samples we have taken with the Redmi 6A. After unboxing the device, we'll also be coming up with a detailed camera review, and we'll also compare with other smartphones in this price segment, so stay tuned for that. The device also comes with 3000 mAh capacity battery. That should be quite good enough for a day of usage because it's an HD plus resolution display, and this is also slightly smaller in capacity. The display size is also smaller, so the battery performance should be good. We'll talk about that in our detailed review. So this is the Redmi 6A unboxing and hands-on. This device comes in 2GB RAM variant as well as 3GB RAM, and we'll have the detailed review coming up pretty soon. So this is Nirmal signing off with the unboxing and hands-on with the Redmi 6A. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Do hit that like button and also hit the subscribe button for more videos. Have a great day.